In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change site name on Wix. This is a simple update that you can make directly from your Wix dashboard, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Changing your site name can be useful if you are rebranding your website, correcting the title, or making it easier to recognize inside your account settings. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. Make sure you are signed into the correct account and that you are viewing the website you want to update. If you manage more than one site in Wix, take a second to confirm that you are working on the right one before making any changes. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down until you see Settings, then click on it. This section contains many of the core options for your website, so if you ever need to adjust general site details, this is usually the right place to start. After opening Settings, look through the available options and select General. This will take you to the page where Wix stores basic information about your site. Near the top of this page, you will see the site name field. Because it is placed right at the top, it should be easy to find. Click into the site name field and enter your new site name in the box. Type the name exactly as you want it to appear. It is a good idea to double-check the spelling, spacing, and capitalization before saving, especially if this name matches your brand or business name. Keeping it clear and consistent can help you stay organized inside your Wix account. When you are happy with the new site name, move to the top right corner of the page and click Save. This confirms the change and updates the site name in your settings. If you do not click Save, the new name may not be applied, so make sure you complete that final step before leaving the page. After saving, your updated site name should now be visible in the appropriate areas of your Wix dashboard. That covers everything you need to know.